All right, now that you've added the documents under Files, we're going to add those files to the module itself. So for our first example, probationer information, we have a CV to add. So up here, we're going to click on the plus button for the module. Under Add and the drop-down menu, we're going to choose File, and then we're going to look for the folder itself. So Course Files, Probationer Information, there's the CV. I'm going to choose that by clicking on it, and then the indentation, I want to indent 2 levels. So once I do that, I click on Add Item. It adds it to the bottom of the module, and so I need to click on the left-hand side and click and drag it up to underneath the information about that document. All right, so our second example, we're going to go down into year 1, and we're going to add some information. So again, we're going to go up to this right-hand corner and click on the plus. And we're doing this first adding the documents to the files area and then adding them to the module, because you'll see if I were to choose new files here and then try to place it in the correct folder, I would not be able to, because it only gives me that high level folder and not the folder within the folder. So for this, I'm going to go down to Q1 observations. So I'm going to click on the observations that I've uploaded. I want to make sure it's indented 2 levels, and then Add Item. It's always going to be at the bottom, so you'll want to go down here, hover over the left-hand side, click, and drag up. All right, and then you do the same thing with other documents. So here I have Q1, Year 1, student evaluations, so I'm going to add the first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest that I have here. I have 2. So then you'll see them here at the bottom, and you'll hover over the left-hand side and drag it up to underneath the student evaluations. So you can see the instructions, the documents themselves, instructions, the documents that go with that heading, and then so on and so forth with the minutes and quarterly assessment, etc.